Hello, everyone. Today, we'll talk about an unusual topic. What if people couldn't yawn? Let's explore what might happen in such a scenario. First, let's consider why yawning is important. Yawning has various effects on the body, from activating the brain and improving memory to its connection with the immune system. First, brain activation. There is an interesting relationship between brain activation and yawning. Yawning can temporarily activate the brain by lowering its temperature and relieving fatigue, especially in situations of prolonged work or boredom. Second, memory improvement. Research suggests that yawning can help improve memory. Increased oxygen supply to the brain during yawning may temporarily enhance memory, particularly in studying or stressful situations. Third, connection with the immune system. Yawning involves the contraction and relaxation of muscles, activating blood circulation. This helps immune cells move effectively throughout the body, contributing to the reinforcement of the immune system. Yawning optimizes body functions by facilitating oxygen intake and carbon dioxide expulsion, maintaining balance. Now, what if people couldn't yawn? The first symptom could be oxygen deficiency. Yawning allows the body to receive oxygen more effectively, and if this process doesn't occur properly, symptoms of oxygen deficiency may arise. Continuous insufficient oxygen supply can lead to fatigue, especially impacting the oxygen-dependent brain, resulting in decreased concentration and memory. Yawning also contributes to relieving tension. Without the ability to yawn, accumulated stress and tension may increase, leading to emotional anxiety and fatigue. Additionally, it can affect sleep. Yawning makes the body comfortable and aids in entering deep sleep. Without the ability to yawn, falling asleep might become difficult and insufficient. Sleep can contribute to immune suppression. Today, we've explored the possible symptoms and impacts of not being able to yawn. Isn't it fascinating? Yawning, an action we often overlook, provides many benefits. This has been SmartBix. Today's one-line summary: let's yawn a lot. Wasn't it interesting?